If you've ever been to a house and you need to change the valve or do something that you get into the wiring centre or one of these junction boxes and you think, where do I start? I haven't got a clue. This is rubbish. Well, I'll tell you what you do. You start all over again. But the thing is, you need to know where the wires go. So we've got a grey, orange and brown. Which terminal do they go to? So this is the wiring centre. Can you tell me below where the 3 wires go into which terminal? And don't forget, this is the drawing that you get. There is another one as well, the one that which you've seen. So can you follow that at all? I tell you what, this is what you get. A nice black and white drawing. Now, if you've been on a course, this is not really much of a problem. Although I have seen in all the years people who have been on a horse and they come to me and they still get it wrong. I wonder if there's a better method. Of course there is. In colour. Everything I do is in colour. The app, the book and all the videos. This is the way forward. So download the app, start using it, but on Friday I'm going to give you a video on how to use the app and you can follow me step by step. So download it today and then wait for Friday's launch. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching and take care.